Matagal ko na talagang problema ang dull and dry kong face. Mukhang di inaalagaan. Hindi din masyadong maganda ang finish ng makeup because of my dry skin. And that problem need a solution.
After many years of searching and finding out on Google what is suitable product to my dry face, only these two pass the quality of I'm searching for. First is the original moisturizer. This moisturizer is for all skin types, barrier repair, lightweight gel, and ang key ingredients niya ay hyaluronic acid and ceramide. Next naman is Celatec Moisturizer. Celatec Moisturizer is for sensitive, oily, acne-prone skin, lightweight gel, at ang key ingredients naman niya ay panthenol at glycerin. Ngayon, alam ko na kung anong suitable for my dry face. Ang pinili ko ang bilhin ay Original! Bukod kasi na mas mura siya, I think kaya niyang mag-moisturize ng maigi yung face ko and kaya niyang ma-help yung dryness niya. I think after ko siyang mabili and ma-try, masasatisfied naman ako sa kanya and magre-repurchase ako. And feeling ko magagampanan niya naman yung hinahanap ko sa isang moisturizer para masolusyonan yung dryness ng skin ko, ng face ko. Para maganda yung lapat ng makeup at saka mukha pa rin fresh and hydrated every day.